is an absolute scorcher today, 26 degrees so far, and it's 10 to 12, so expecting it to absolutely soar. Still a little bit of cloud cover, so as soon as that sun comes out, it is going to be warm. So 10 to 12 now. Meeting Josh. Josh has appeared in some previous videos. He is an absolute powerhouse, so hopefully gonna go off, paddleboard, and yeah, have a good day. Yo! The big man, Josh. Time to bump it up. Drinking water. No pressure. Nearly, mate. Pretty close. Yeah, dude.
That went quite well.